going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would use a Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit. You could get these kits from like AutoZone, Napa, or Rallies or somewhere like that. You normally don't have to buy it, you'll just rent it. But when you get the kit, what you'll notice is it has a lot of different screws inside of it, all different sizes. That's because each different harmonic balancer may have different size screw holes inside of it. So the first thing that you want to do is identify which set of screws that you need to use for yours. So I'm going to start off by just trying to take out a screw. Take it. Your harmonic balance, of course, will still be on your vehicle. So you want to take the screw and see if that fits. See, like this one, it's probably not right. They kind of screwed in differently. So let me try. Some of them you can look at and tell it's going to be too skinny for yours. Like that definitely is not going to fit. So let me you got to kind of just go through and keep trying different screws until you find the ones that actually work with your balancer. Okay, so there you go. These fit. And you'll notice you have 3 different holes that's inside your harmonic balancer. And what this piece right here is, I'm about to show you, this is actually the puller. So what you want to do is you have like 4 different slots on here. Some people think that because these 3 look like it's by itself, it's the only ones you're supposed to be using. No, you could use any of these combinations. So what you're trying to do is just line it up to where you can get the screws in. Look like on mine, this one would work. And once I have it lined up, what I'm going to do is take the screws. It should be 3 of them. Whatever set that you had to use, you want to take it. Then you're going to be screwing in the 3 screws into your harmonic balance. Make sure you get them nice and snug inside. Once you have that done like that, now the next thing that you're going to be doing before you can pull it is actually using the big screw, which is this screw right here. This is actually the screw that's actually pulling out your harmonic balancer from off of the post. And this screw, you want to put it into the middle. And once you get that screw going through the middle, this piece right here, you're supposed to put onto the other side of this screw, on the other side of your harmonic balancer puller. So what you're going to be doing is taking it and sticking it like that. It doesn't screw on, it just kind of pops on like that, pushes on. So as it's on your vehicle, it'll normally be turned to the side like that on your vehicle, and you'll have this screw. I'm gonna get it in a little bit. It screws in, and as it's screwing in, once you got it kind of coming in, next what you want to do is actually take that piece, kind of reach around behind here, and just pop it on like that on the other side of it. What that piece is going to be doing is making contact with the actual post that your harmonic balancer is on, and as you tighten this up, it pushes against that to pull your harmonic balancer off of your vehicle. Of course, you had a size 15 screw on most vehicles you had to take out first from the middle of your harmonic balancer. Always take that screw out first. But once you've done that and you have your puller on with the correct screws to pull it like that, now what you're going to be doing is just taking this and putting that other piece on the other side I just showed you, and then just keep tightening this big screw. And what this is doing is, as you're tightening it, it's up against like a surface that it can't go through. So what it does is it starts to pull your, like say my finger is the post that it's on, as you tighten that big screw, it pulls it off like that until it pops off of the post. Then as you're putting your new one back on, of course, you put it back on that post, and you normally take like a sledgehammer or something and hammer it back on. But this is how you would use your Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit. Like I said, the first thing you'll be doing is identifying which screws that you need that fits inside of your harmonic balancer. Then once you have those screws, I'm going to take it off of here so you can kind of see it without being on here, what's going on with the... Yeah, so once you have those screws like that, just pretend that it's still on your balancer. As you're tightening it, like I said, you put this piece right here. Basically, you just reach around as it's on your balancer, and between that gap between your balancer and your puller, and just pop that on like that. And then that's basically so sitting against the surface. So as you take a socket set or impact wrench or something, you just constantly tighten the big screw, and what that's doing is actually pulling off your harmonic balancer. Alright folks, once again, this is the way that you would use a harmonic balancer puller kit to remove your harmonic balancer from off of your vehicle, which is the harmonic balancer is what pretty much your serpentine belt is going around, as well as other things, but normally it's at the bottom behind your passenger side wheel. On most vehicles, if you take off your passenger side wheel and remove the dust cover, you'll see this piece right here. It's a pulley, but also it's your harmonic balancer, and your belt is running around right here. So a lot of time if this goes bad, you'll get a squeaking with your belt, as well as can make your belt jump off of track, as well as break your belt. So alright folks, once again, this is how you would use a harmonic balancer puller kit to remove your harmonic balancer from off of your vehicle. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.